Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. So today we're going to be doing some close-up swatches of the Huda Beauty Wild Jaguar palette. So I have done this on my Instagram account. When I got it, I was just so excited to swatch it. So yeah, I just thought we could do this now together, and then it's on the channel. Excuse the mess guys, I've been doing a lot of close-up swatches lately. I mean, look at this packaging, it is super pretty. So yeah, that's really gorgeous, and that's what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? So we'll just do this really quickly, then I'll have to get ready to go to work. Well, actually go to my mum's and then go to work from her house. Right, so we're going to swatch this shade here, which is like a taupe shade. The only thing wrong with these smaller palettes is she doesn't put names on them, but that is gorgeous. All these like shimmers have got that foiled look about them. I'm probably going to get another one. I've got I think about nearly £19 in points with Boots, and they're only £27 to buy. Or like this one was £21.60, so when the next sale goes on, I'll probably, if I've got enough points, I'll probably just pick one up. I just don't know which one to pick up yet. So that's that one. Again, we'll turn the light off when we're done. Then we've got this brown shade next to it, which is a matte. It's more like a grey brown. I think these tones in this palette will give you a really smoky look. Then we've got this gold here. Again, beautiful. I mean, look how wet and foiled they look. I wish all the palettes did that. Then we've got this dark brown here, which would look good in the outer V and also the lash line as well. So that's that one there. Then we've got this one with a print, and yeah, it's almost like snake skin. It's really pretty. Look. Does anyone else just get completely excited over eyeshadow? This one is sheer, it's more of a topper. She does put toppers in her palettes, doesn't she? Huda Mercury Retrograde have got a lot of toppers in. It's almost like a duochrome, because it's like a purple to grey like undertone. Then we've got this one here. What I like about this palette in particular is there is a lot of shimmers in it. So that's that one. Again, it's very foiled. And then we're moving to the bottom row. We've got kind of a cream ivory shade, which is really nice. It's darker than I would normally go for like brow bone and like as a base shade, but it's nice if you go too ham with a shade like this or this. You can blend it out. And then we've got a black. Now, I don't normally wear black, but a lot of people say that you need a decent black in, and that looks pretty decent. Yeah, it's really pigmented. Blackest of black. And then we've got one more shimmer. Gosh, that's gorgeous. That is a little bit on the sheer side as well. It's like it's brown, but it's got like purple and pink speckles of glitter in it. It is super pretty, guys. Let me just take that off. Right, so that is what it looks like. It is super pretty. The colour story isn't really me in a palette, so normally I go for quite warm or quite bright shades or pastels. Pastels have been my go-to this year. This is pretty cool, but I picked it up and I thought I really want to try it. So yeah, I wanted to try it, and then if I like this one I'll probably, yeah, and if I like it I'll probably pick up the rose quartz one, because that is pretty cool as well. So yeah, I mean, again, that's what it looks like. Let's turn the light down. So yeah, you can see that a lot better. That they're kind of a true representation of what the eyeshadows look like. It's just a really pretty palette. The packaging, the component of the packaging is absolutely stunning. I think I'm on like, I think I've got about 8 of these now, maybe even 10 of them, and then I've got 2 of her bigger palettes. I'm definitely on a Huda Beauty kick at the moment. I do like her formula. It took me a while to actually get into it. At one point, I mean, I think about a year or 2 years ago, I only had 1 or 2 of her palettes, but this year I've definitely invested in more. So this concludes the video, guys. If you've not already checked out my international giveaway on the channel, it's there. I did post it a few days ago, so you would have to go back a video or 2. I would love it if you entered. You need to be a public subscriber. This is a giveaway that I've come up with myself. I've paid for the palette that is in the giveaway by myself as well. YouTube don't have anything to do with it, and it's not sponsored. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk giveaway. It's a really nice palette. I've got it myself. Charlotte Tilbury's formula is pretty good in her eyeshadow palettes. Anyway, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you do want to enter the giveaway, don't forget to say please enter me into the giveaway, and also follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.